Well, hello everyone. Welcome back. George here. Hope you all are doing okay. Look at this view. This is outside my back window. Well, kind of, sort of backyard. I'll just say that. That's the Great Smoky Mountains, and that is Look Rock, um, Tennessee. Well, it's on the Foothills Parkway. So, but what a beautiful area here. So. Today I want to welcome everyone. Hope you all are doing good. Today we're going to talk about. I had someone asking me about a place to rent in the Maryville or Alcoa area. So I did find a place, and I want to show you this now, folks. Just remember if you I'm not endorsing this place. I'm not being sponsored by this place, but let me show you what I found. And well, this place is really super nice. um, so this is it right here. I'm gonna bring that down a little bit so you can see right there. This one is 320 Hannum Street. Now this location, let's see, let's take a look at it. It's pretty good, and I know this little house. I've been by it many times. So let's take a look. It's a 2 bedroom, 1 bath, and let's see, let's take a look. We'll look at, and the real estate company is that's renting this is FYVE. I'll leave a link to this page, so just in case you want to check. But chances are it may already be rented. If you are looking, there's a lot of people looking for places to rent and buy in the Maryville and Alcoa, Tennessee area. And I don't blame them. It's just beautiful here. But here's inside here. That's not too bad. It's got carpet. I guess, yeah, I think that's the front door. So we got a couple of fans in there. So the lighting is pretty good. It looks like it's got some good outlets there. I don't know nothing, about like the condition of the house. It looks fairly good. Kind of a beige wall. I don't know if that's popcorn ceiling. I can't really tell. But now the kitchen area, now that looks good. Yeah, I think that is. Isn't that? Wouldn't you think that's popcorn ceiling? Some people like it, and some people don't. I don't even think nothing about it. I don't know. I think it's just because it's hard to clean. I don't know. Let me know in the comments what you think about popcorn ceilings and why a lot of people don't like them. But that's the one thing I look for in a house is cabinet space. Like in the kitchen, and it looks like it's got pretty good cabinet. I like the stove, the fridge there. So, and here's a pantry closet maybe in there, I guess. Yeah, here's another view. So, not sure. Oh, okay. This is an area where you would put the washing machine and the dryer, maybe. At least I know the washing machine there, it looks like. So you would park it in the kitchen. So this place doesn't have a separate room for that, but that's okay, I guess. And this is probably one of the bedrooms. Like I said, you can call these people if you're interested in this and see if they got it. They've got other properties. And this is, I don't know if this is the same bedroom. I think it may be a different one. Let me go back to this. Is that, yeah, that looks like that's the 1 bedroom or the smaller, and this looks like maybe a larger bedroom. This is the, I guess the dining or the living room area. So it's got kind of like a separation there. So, and then we've got another little closet. Closet space is important, I think. And then finally on this, here's the bathroom, and this is as close as I could get it. It's got a little attic area right here. Got a little cabinet there. So I mean, it's not too bad looking, right? Yeah, not too bad. So, but I thought what I would do, I'll leave this link if you're interested. So let's take a little better look at where this place. Well, first of all, let's see about the amenities first. Okay. So, and now this is, it says it's coming soon. It's 2-bedroom, 1 bath. They call it a country farmhouse, and it's a 1-level covered porch. Yeah, and it has the deck in the back, large backyard. I do know that. Cute, they say. Convenient to all shopping, schools, and the mountains. Yes, it is. Enjoy Maryville style. So, and now it's a 1-year lease. I did read on this company that is renting it, the 5 company, and they have, let's see here, you have to, that's the company right there, if you can see it, FYVE, and they require some kind of, it's like a monthly payment for, it's like, this is 39, and I think that covers like extermination and like bug control and other stuff, but you can go on their site and find out. This is just through apartmentlist.com, I think, or yeah, apartmentlist.com, but it'll take you to their website, the 5. And then there's a $50, if you have a pet, it's a pet fee, $50 monthly. Ooh, okay. Application fee is $40, so, and then a one-time administration fee of $99. Okay, I'm not sure what you'd have to call in and find out. I don't know if this place will be there long. I think I'll rent it. There's a lot of people moving in this area, so, and the renter. Okay, so. Yeah, so the power, you have to get the power. It has, of course, it has the pets allowed, dogs. I don't know about cats, but it's saying dogs. Then the walking score, score is 71, so which means the area is very walkable, and it is. So, and this gives you a little bit of more. And they've got other places. This company does, but. This is, you're close to the airport and all kind of stuff. So, but I thought I would just bring this on here because there's people that's asked me, hey, do you know any places and where could I find somewhere to a company to rent from? So, and so let me show you here. And boy, you're close to everything here. You really are. So here's the little house right there, and let's go to the street here, street view, and you can get a better view of it. And the neighborhood, I do know this neighborhood. There it is right there, and it's real quiet. So it's got looks like a train heating there, looks like, but not a bad. It's got a big yard, not a bad house. Just a little better view of it. In the back here, go up here a little bit. There's a I believe that's like I want to say Fisher Tire, maybe like a tire place, where they put tires on. But then again, I may not be. Let me see. We can go down here. Or it may be just a warehouse. I don't know. But anyway, now down the street from him, you got Hot Rods. Look at here. So you can walk down to Hot Rods, and they have some really good burgers. Boy, and this is like a mom and pop place. So really good food, and they stay busy. And look here, you got Pizza Hut. Look at there, yeah, right down the road here. So there's a lot of stuff. Let me show you what else we got here. So what's really interesting that I find that this place would be a great place to rent. I know it may be a little pricey. It's $16.50 a month, and it's a year lease. But let me know what you think about that. Do you think that is worth that, or I mean, is that, I don't know. It's 2 bedrooms, so I guess if you had 2 people that was um, making pretty decent money, that wouldn't be too bad. I know rent is ridiculous everywhere right now, but look here. This is the Blount County Library. I mean, look at what's in the back of your yard. this is this is so worth it. I got to show you something, so folks, too. This is so funny. So I brought Street View up, right? And you know how sometimes you can it'll bring you like to little places. Let's see if it'll. Okay, so the little blue dots. Oh, I may not have it nothing worse. You can see the little blue dots. If you click on it, it'll take you to a closer look. Okay, and here's the library. This is the back of the library, and there's that famous bridge from the library. And I walk this area a lot. I don't live too far from here, but I was looking at this, and I said, yeah, there's the bridge. And I said, holy moly, that is me. That's me. I don't know when this photo was taken, but I said, because I know me when I see me, and I know that's crazy. I'm like, they took the photo, and I don't remember anybody here taking photos from Google, but that's crazy, right? So I found myself, I'm on Google Maps. I can't believe that. That's just crazy. That's wild. But yeah, this is not bad. So, okay, so let me show you a little bit more what you're close to. Of course, there's a lot of restaurants here, folks. I mean, a lot. You've got the Riverfront Grill. They are good. And boy, if you want some good, if you want good cheeseburgers, wings, they have them. And so this is what would be behind. Oh, okay. So it's like a little center. Okay, and I think this little warehouse here is behind it here. I think this is a storage area for the Goodyear tire, Firestone tire. Maybe, I don't know. I'm not sure. But anyway, it's a real, from what I know of, it's a quiet area, neighborhood. Okay, so there's, I mean, you're away from the busy streets. The busiest street is right down here. And this is your busiest, Calderwood, I think, or Cusick. But look here, you got more restaurants. You got Papa John's right up here. I think it's Papa John's, yeah. And Los Amigos, got a Mexican restaurant. And what's really cool, folks, you got the Greenway. Okay, you got all this to walk around every day if you want to. And boy, I'm down here a lot. I love this. Look at this beautiful area here. So, and let's see what else we've got. Of course, back in the background, that is the Great Smoky Mountains. So, that's a plus. And then, of course, you're not far from, this is Calderwood, or Midland Plaza. So there's a lot of restaurants. That's where the Subs and Such, if you saw my video I did the other day walking around, boy, Subs and Such is good. The DMV for your driver's license, right here in your backyard. To get you tagged, the courthouse is just right up here. I don't want to tell you wrong, but yeah, the courthouse is right up here. There you go. There's the courthouse right here. This is where you get tags and stuff. So you're real close to that. Got lots of churches if you're interested in that. If you're needing a church to go to, then you're not far from Wally World. You've got yeah, you got Walmart, and you got Lowe's right here. So you're really close. And let's see here. This is where you would get the power right here. This is the city of Alcoa's utility department. And look at here. Got another little walking area that you can drive to real close. And then what's really good is right here. You got, look here. You've got the airport. This is McGee-Tyson Airport. And of course, you're not very far from Knoxville, because up this way is Knoxville. So you're really close to a lot of stuff, and plus the Great Smoky Mountains over there. So I thought I would bring this to you and let you kind of see what the area is. And if you are looking for a little place in the Maryville-Alcoa location, then definitely you know, give them people a call. Like I said, I'm not sponsored by none of these people, but I thought, well, this might help you out if you are looking for a place, and if you're curious about the area. This is a good way. My video here is a good way to, to find out, what it's all about here. So this is a little wider view here. So, but yeah, not too bad. But I would definitely check them out, and just give them a call. I'll leave the link to that website there if you want to check them out. Well, folks, I think I'm going to call it an evening on this one. This has been a good evening today. It's drier today, and I'll be back on here soon. And if you like this, if you'd like to see some more places that are for rent, or that would be for the that's for sale even, let me know, because I'll definitely I'll do some more videos on this. I enjoy doing this, and if you like the walk and talk videos, I'm going to do some more of them. I love doing that. But anyway, folks, I'm going to leave you with this view, and I hope all of you have a very good, safe evening. Like I always say, if you have a loved one, be sure to give them a hug. And folks, until next time, this is George, and we'll see you down the road. Y'all be safe. Bye-bye.